If you're thinking about using OptimizePress for your landing page needs, there are a few things you need to know before you commit. While OptimizePress is a solid option in the crowded landing page builder market, it's essential to compare it to other tools, especially if you're looking for something more intuitive or feature-rich. So, let's dive into 12 things you should consider before buying. First, OptimizePress is primarily designed for WordPress users, which is great if you already have a WordPress site. However, if you're not familiar with WordPress, this could feel like an extra learning curve compared to tools like ClickFunnels, which are more self-contained and easier for beginners. Next, let's talk about templates. OptimizePress offers a decent library of templates, but compared to something like Leadpages or InStagepage, their selection might feel limited. If you're looking for more customization options out of the box, you may want to look elsewhere. The third thing is ease of use. OptimizePress isn't the most intuitive builder. It has a bit of a learning curve, especially for beginners. If you've used something like Wix or Squarespace, you might find OptimizePress a bit more complex. Tools like Kartra or Builderall, however, are designed with ease of use in mind, making them better choices for newcomers. Fourth, let's touch on the pricing. OptimizePress starts with a one-time payment, which is great for long-term use without ongoing costs. But compared to subscription models from competitors like ClickFunnels or Leadpages, it might not offer the same level of ongoing support and updates unless you're willing to pay for the higher tier plans. Next, the integrations. OptimizePress works well with WordPress, but if you're using other platforms like Shopify or want advanced integrations, you might run into limitations. Competitors like ClickFunnels have built-in integrations for a variety of tools, giving you more flexibility for your marketing stack. The sixth thing to consider is mobile optimization. While OptimizePress allows you to design mobile-friendly landing pages, the level of control over mobile responsiveness isn't as robust as some of the more specialized tools out there like InStagepage. If mobile optimization is a priority for you, this might be a consideration. Now, let's talk about speed. OptimizePress is fairly fast, but it doesn't quite match up to something like Thrive Architect, which is known for its speed and efficiency. If you're trying to optimize for load times and performance, it's worth testing different tools to see which one performs best for you. Seventh, analytics and tracking. OptimizePress offers basic analytics, but it's not as advanced as what you'll find in ClickFunnels or Kartra. If you need more detailed insights into your landing page performance, a tool with more comprehensive tracking might be a better fit. Next, let's consider customer support. OptimizePress offers support, but it's not the fastest in response times compared to something like Leadpages, which has 24/7 live chat. If you need a high level of support or instant help, you might find the experience a bit lacking. The ninth thing is the community. OptimizePress has a small but active user community. This is great for getting tips and troubleshooting, but it's not as large or vibrant as the communities around platforms like ClickFunnels or Leadpages. A larger community could mean more resources and quicker answers to your questions. Next, let's talk about the sales funnel. OptimizePress allows you to build landing pages, but it lacks some of the more advanced sales funnel features that platforms like ClickFunnels or Kartra offer. If you want a platform that does more than just landing pages, like complete funnel automation, you might want to look at those competitors. The 11th point is security. OptimizePress is generally secure when used with WordPress, but keep in mind that WordPress sites require regular updates to maintain security. Other platforms like Wix and Squarespace handle all the security for you, which can be a more hassle-free option for some users. Finally, let's discuss scalability. OptimizePress is a good starting point for small to medium businesses, but as you grow, you might find its features a bit limiting. If you're planning on expanding into more advanced marketing features or need a more robust solution, platforms like Kartra or ClickFunnels may be better for scaling your business. In conclusion, OptimizePress is a solid tool for WordPress users who want a one-time payment option for building landing pages. However, if you're looking for something more user-friendly, feature-packed, or scalable, you might want to consider alternatives. It's a good option, but for a better solution, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free.